What you're seeing right here is actually a refrigerator wrap. You can actually change the look of your refrigerator just by wrapping it. And this is actually called the Beer Safe refrigerator wrap. If you go to the rmwraps.com website, you go to appliance wraps, refrigerator wraps, and it's under alcohol wraps, and you can see this right here. Every order is custom size to fit. So when you place the order, we need the width and height and the thickness of each door, and this is actually the sides, so we need to know how deep and how high it is on the sides. Printed out on 3M air release vinyl matte sheen product, exposed time matte sheen. And what we do is we add little indicating of the corners of the doors to show you know exactly where it's at. Prime example is another thing is right this the sides right here. This one is actually black with gold, and we have like 4 different tones. We got I think silver, white, and a copper. And so this is the gold one. So if you want something like this on your refrigerator or a mini fridge, you can do that. This is it. Okay, stay tuned. We've got more project surprises coming your way. And go to the website in the description down below. There should be videos on how-tos and everything. And, oh, another thing we do is we give you free samples of just playing around with it. Also, squeegees and a knife. And then we're actually based in Meridian, Idaho. So we're a US-based business. So anytime we order anything, we usually print it out that morning and then ship it out that day, if not the next day. So we're pretty quick at what we do. So if you want something like this again, let us know.